Hello, Namaste. I am Shobha Balasubramaniam here. Welcome to my channel Spices and Flavors. Today we are going to see two quick recipes, that is the neermor or the spiced buttermilk and the kosambri or the kosamali, along with panagam or the panka, the recipe of which I have already uploaded. The link I will share in the description box below. So these are usually offered to Lord Rama on the occasion of Ramanavami. Now we shall see the recipe. For making the kosambri or the kosumali, here I have taken the yellow moong dal, about half cup. I have washed it very well twice or thrice and then soaked it in water for about 2 hours. See, it has to easily break like this. So it has to soak till then. Now we shall drain the water. The half cup of moong that I had soaked has almost doubled up. To this we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of grated carrot, raw mango about 3 tablespoons. I have taken just a quarter from this mango. I have peeled the mango and then cut it into small pieces like this. We will add this about 3 tablespoons. Cucumber, about half cucumber, which I have peeled and cut it into small pieces like this. We will add this also. Finely cut green chilies like this. Cilantro finely cut. Required salt. Juice of half a lime. We will add all these and give it a good mix. I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut to this. It will taste very good. After adding, we will give it a good mix. We will give a seasoning to this. We will light the stove, add a tadka pan, add little oil. When the oil is hot, we will add a teaspoon of mustard, little urad dal, add asafoetida, then add the curry leaves and pour it on the kosambari and mix. The very tasty and yummy kosambari or the kosamali is ready to be served. We will serve this along with panagam and neermor. Here I am taking half cup thick curd. For neermor or spiced buttermilk, little cilantro, few curry leaves, 3 green chilies. Chilies you can add as per your desire. Required salt, very little asafoetida or the hing, about a half teaspoon of mustard, a piece of ginger. Here I am going to take the mustard, few curry leaves and the hing for tempering. Now to a mixie jar we will add this thick curd, few curry leaves, the entire cilantro, chilies and salt and grind it, adding little water. Usually we tend to discard the curry leaves and the cilantro if added directly to the buttermilk, spiced buttermilk. This is ground now. I have ground it in mixie. You can add more water, as the very name denotes, neermor or the spiced buttermilk, which will be very watery. You can add more water. Here I have taken 3 chilies. If children are drinking it, they may find it a little spicy. So accordingly you add the chilies. Why I am grinding all this? Because If we were to add it as it is in the Neermor or the spice buttermilk, we tend to just discard it while drinking. So this is a better idea. Now I am going to filter it. We'll discard this. You can add more water if required. To this, we'll give the seasoning or the tempering now. I have kept a small tadka pan on the stove. Add very little oil. Add mustard. As a fortida, we can switch off the stove and add the curry leaves and add it to the spiced buttermilk or the Neermor. So you can enjoy this during summer. Now the summer is here, you can enjoy this every day. This is also offered to Lord Rama on the Sri Ramanavami festival. The spicy and the tasty buttermilk is ready to be served along with panagam or the panka and also the kosambri or the kosamali. Usually these three will be offered to God Rama for Ramanavami. Please like the video, share the video with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so, and also click the bell icon as you will be notified as and when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching.